So in this video, I will explain how to find the derivation of the pedal equation. So for that, first I'll take up this. I'll draw a figure. So, so this is the initial line. So and again, so this will be the radius vector, and then draw a curve. So draw a curve. And for this curve, draw a tangent. So this is the point P of r comma theta. So and then you draw a perpendicular, that is from perpendicular onto the tangent. That is this is angle. This is 90 degree. So this is will be taken as theta, and this distance is r. This is the origin. This is the point P, and this is the T. And equation of the curve is r is equals to f of theta. So we'll write the explanation. So the tangent to the curve r is equals to f of theta, and this distance OT. So let OT is equals to P. So this is called is the length of length of perpendicular from pole. O is called pole onto the tangent. So now, what is this angle is called phi. So phi is what? Phi is the angle between radius vector, and tangent. Now from the triangle OPT. So this will be a right angle triangle. OPT will be a right angle triangle. So and here this for this angle phi, so this OT is called the opposite sign, and this OP is the hypotenuse. So we will use the sine of the angle, that is sine phi. Sine phi is equals to OT by OP. So what is OT? It is P, that is length of perpendicular, and OP is R. So therefore, what we will get if you cross multiply it, so we'll get P is equals to R sine phi. So squaring on both sides. So what we will get? We will get P square is equals to R square into sine square phi. So I will take the reciprocal of this equation. That is 1 by P square is equals to 1 by R square into sine squared phi. And again here I will write 1 by R square. So sine square reciprocal is cosecant square, cosecant square phi. So, but we know that 1 plus cot square phi, 1 plus cot square phi is cosecant square phi. So therefore, so this will be written as 1 by r square into 1 plus cot square phi. Instead of cosecant square, I will write cot square. And also we know this relation, that is cot phi is equals to, so 1 by r into dr by d theta. So this is the expression for angle between radius vector and tangent. So angle between radius vector and tangent. So I'll substitute in the above equation. So it will be 1 by p square is equals to 1 by r square into 1 plus cot square phi means it will be 1 by r dr by d theta whole square. So expand this. So that is 1 by r square into 1 plus, this is 1 by r square dr by d theta whole square. So multiply it. So what we will get? So 1 by p square will be equal to, so 1 by r square. 1 by r square into r square will be 1 by r to the power of 4 c into dr by d theta whole square. So this is the expression for uh, length of perpendicular between, or we can say that it is the angle between length of perpendicular. Thank you.